Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We have been doing a series on miracle signs and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples throughout the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. And we have really been building our faith. I hope you have the same testimony. Today is the last reading from that series, and tomorrow we're going to start a new series on parables. So if you want more people to build them faith by hearing the word of God, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning by the grace of God.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 28, from verse 1 to verse 10. After all of we reach shore safe, we find out from the people them say the island named Malta. The people them show we good face and treat we well good. And cause rain did start fall and it did cool, then catch up fire for we. Paul pick up one bungler bram and put it on the fire. When him do that, the fire eat, cause one snake fi come out and grab on pan Paul hand. When the people see say the snake egg on pan Paul hand, them say to one another say, that man here must one murderer. Even though he get away from the sea, the God we name Justice say nothing live. But Paul shake him off in a fire and nothing never do him. But the people did not look for see him swell up or drop down dead same time. But after they wait for one long time and not see nothing happen to him, them change their mind and say him a one God. Close to where that did happen to Paul, one man named Publius did have a house and land. Him did the head for the government for the island. He take we in a house and take good care of we. And we turn a house for 3 days. Publius' father did sick in a bed. In the have fever and one sickness we make him belly run and cause him to vomit. Paul go in go see him, and after him pray for him put him hand upon him and make him better. After that, whole heap of people on the island when it's sick come to Paul for make them better. The people them show enough respect, and when we did out for left, they give we everything where we did need. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.